धौलाधर रेंज, parts of the Lesser Himalayas. मेजर हिल स्टेशन यहाँ की है शिमला, कुल्लू मनाली, डलहौजी, चंबा और धर्मशाला। अरावली रेंज की बात करें तो रनिंग साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन थ्रू दिल्ली, हरियाणा, राजस्थान और एंड गुजरात। Oldest range of fold mountain in India. Contain copper mine and dolomite. Source of river बनास यानी कि राजमंद, ल्यूनी, पुष्कर, साहिबी, सीकर एंड साबरमती, उदयपुर। हाईएस्ट पीक की बात करें तो गुरु शिखर पीक ऑफ माउंट आबू 1722 मीटर की है, जो कि सिहोरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पड़ती है। गिरनार रेंज ये कैथवार पेनिनसुला में है, साउदर्न कैथीवोर पेनिनसुला में है। वन ऑफ द जैन तीर्थ एज निर्वाण भूमि ऑफ 22nd तीर्थंकर लॉर्ड नेमिनाथा। गिर नेशनल पार्क is known as for its Asiatic lion, मेजर डिस्ट्रिक्ट जूनागढ़। कैमूर हिल्स की बात करें तो ये विंध्याचल रेंज में ईस्टर्न पार्ट में पड़ता है। डिवाइड्स द रिवर सोन एंड सामा तामा ताम्स तामसा। सोन और तामसा नदी को विभाजित करता है, अलग करता है। विंध्याचल रेंज की बात करें तो पार्ट्स ऑफ द सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स एंड रन नॉर्थ ऑफ नर्मदा। सोर्स ऑफ रिवर चंबल, बेतवा, कीन एंड तामसा। हाईएस्ट पॉइंट सद भवन शिखर 722 मीटर की ऊंचाई है। ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पासेस थ्रू इट। सतपुरा रेंज पार्ट ऑफ सेंट्रल हाईलैंड एंड रन्स साउथ ऑफ नर्मदा। सेपरेट्स इंडो जेनेटिक प्लेन एंड डेक्कन प्लेटू। सोर्स ऑफ टू मेजर वेस्ट फ्लो रिवर इज नर्मदा, अमरकंटक और तापी बेतुल। Rich in eco-tourism with several national park and reserve. Structural parts Rajpipla Hills, Gavil Hill, Ghar Hills, खदनवा गैप, महादेव हिल्स और मैकाल हिल्स। मैकाल हिल्स की बात करें लाइज इन द ईस्टर्न सतपुरा रेंज ऑफ इन छत्तीसगढ़ एंड एडजॉइनिंग मध्य प्रदेश। बॉक्साइट डिपॉजिट फाउंड हियर। मेजर ट्राइब्स जनजातियाँ की बात करें तो बैगास और गोंड यहाँ पे पाया जाता है। कान्हा नेशनल पार्क, अचंकमार वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी यहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है। अब है वो फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ। The Chingam National Park. The Chingam National Park is located 22 kilometers from Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir Union Territory. Name of the park literally stands for 10 villages. Area of 140 kilometers square, known for Hangal or Kashmir stag. Kishtwar National Park, located in Kishtwar, Jammu and Kashmir, bordered in north by the Rene River, south by the Kibar Nala catchment, east by the Great Himalaya and west by the Marwa River. Area 400 kilometers square. Hemis National Park, located in eastern Ladakh Union Territory, bounded by the bank of Indus River and Janskar Range. Largest national park in India. Area of 4400 kilometers square. Famous for snow leopard. Pin Valley National Park, located in Lahaul and Spiti of Rajasthan of Himachal Pradesh, home to Tibet Buddhist. Area of 810 kilometers square. Alpine tree and Himalayan sabre are abundantly found here. Great Himalayan National Park, located in Kullu of Himachal Pradesh, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Area of 1100 km square. Blue sheep, snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, Himalayan tars, and musk deer etc. are found here. Kalesar National Park. Located in Yamunagar district of Haryana in Shivalik foothills on the bank of Yamuna River. Area of 110 km square. Popular for leopard, panther, elephant etc. Valley of Flowers and National Park located in North Valley of Flowers located in North Chamoli of Uttarakhand, the transition zone between the Jaskar Range and Great Himalaya area 87 km square. Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, musk deer, brown bear, red fox, and blue sheep are found. Rajaji National Park located across the Haridwar Dehradun and Pauri Gharwal of Uttarakhand, named after the Bharat Ratna Sri Rajgopalachari. Ganga Son rivers flow through the park. Area is 820 km square. Elephant, leopard, cheetah and tigers are there. Nanda Devi National Park. Located in Chamoli of Uttarakhand, the transition zone between Jaskar Range and Great Himalaya. Area is of 630 km square. UNESCO World Heritage Site. The fauna found are here are Himalayan musk deer, Thar snow leopard. Jim Corbett National Park located in Nainital and Pauri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. Area is 1310 km square. Oldest national park in India and was established in 1936 as Hali National Park. ये सबसे पुरानी नेशनल पार्क है जो कि भारत में 1936 में स्थापित किया गया था हेली नेशनल पार्क के तौर पे. First to come under the Project Tiger initiative, the Ganga river flow through it. Sambar, deer, leopard, elephant, tiger and jackal are there. Gangotri National Park. Located in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand in the upper catchment of the Bhagirathi river. Holy Gomukh Glacier is located inside the park area of 2390 km square. Vegetation consists of the chirpin, deodar, fir oak, spruce and rhododendrons. Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, located in the Lakhimpur Kheri district of Uttar Pradesh. Area is 490 km square. Tiger, swamp deer, leopard, barasingha and elephant are there. Desert National Park located in Jaisalmer and Barmor of Rajasthan. The ecosystem is Thar Desert and with sand dunes. Area is 3160 km square. Endangered bird Great Indian Bustard is found here. Papi Konda National Park located in Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. Godavari river flows. Area of 110 km square. Famous for bird. Kaveri originated in Brahmagiri Hills, Kodagu, Western Ghat, and Karnataka. Flocks flow through the state of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Kaveri entered the Tamil Nadu through the Dharampuri district, Dharampuri, Mettiyur, Erode, Namakkal, Tiruchirappalli, etc. Of some district on it. Bandipur Tiger Reserve, Ranganathitu Bird Sanctuary, Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary, Chamarajanagar, Nagarhole National Park, etc. are the some protected area along the Kaveri River. Thank you.